Kajang nu jagi babon khamtam jagi palat Nohprah hajar ki nong shnong Chc Mawryngkneng ban pinkiu kadan no ek Chc Mawryngkneng Chc shen kan sa urlong no. Haba pinte begani ka khubor ka pasngotana ru MLA ka Mawryngkneng uba David Nongrum ublawani kandu yu menteri ka tana ka koi ka khia uba elhek ula pinte ba ka sarkar jala shen kan sa pinkiu kadan no ek primary health center Mawryngkneng shaka community health center badia kan ka center on sa Plie Noh hau banai Naiwieng ne Nohprah mentaus them.
There was an agitation, sit down demonstration by the Sardars of six villages, because they had expected that the Chc would be operational within the month of August. But since the construction work is going on, and the Minister himself has assured that the PSC will be inaugurated within 2020. That means the month of November or December, PSC will be inaugurated. And he has given his personal assurance, which I as a local MLA am very happy. And I have conveyed the message also to all the Sardars of the 6 villages that we should be patient since the department is taking all out efforts to make sure that this dream and aspiration of the people is met.
Shushu uba David Nongrum ula pente bru bo menteri katana ka koi ka khia jong ka jalla ula kular ba ka sarkar jalla ka sapalai pisa hadu nyopisan klortingka ban penkiu ka dan ye bon ki PHC ki bakin thu blang ru e ka soring kham PHC
requested the minister, because it is already there in the pipeline that the PHC will come up in Soringham. Land also has been identified and has been given to the government for construction of a PHC in Soringham. So Honorable Minister was saying that government of India has earmarked an amount of ₹75 crores for upgradation of all PHCs and CHCs. So he has assured that even Soringham will be taken into consideration, and maybe in the near future we hope that Soringham PHC also will be in the list of new PHCs to be constructed in the state of Naiwieng.